Hey there digital friends, in this video I am going to show you how to fix audio file not supported in MX Player. Let me show you how it looks. You can see it's saying audio format is not supported. So there's a fix for it to enable the audio in the MX Player. So to fix this issue, let's go to MX Player and then go to settings. Then select the decoder option and scroll to the bottom so to check which kind of codec is available and support for your mobile. In my device it's showing neon type custom codec. So we have to download that custom codec and then apply it in the MX Player. You can get this link from the description below where you can get any kind of codecs for the MX Player. Download the supported codec for your device. So after downloading the file, open MX Player, go to settings and then decoder and scroll to the bottom and click on custom codec and select the codec which you have downloaded. And now just restart the MX Player app. And now you can see that audio format is supported. That's it guys. This is how you can fix that audio not supported error in the MX Player. Thank you for watching this video guys and subscribe.